So here's a quick review of multiplying with fractions. We have 3/7 times 4. So the first thing you would do is copy that onto your papers. 3/7 times 4. Now, when you're multiplying with fractions, you need both numbers to be a fraction. So currently, 3/7, that's a fraction, but 4 is not a fraction. But remember, we can just put a 1 as the denominator to make it a fraction. Then multiplying with fractions is very simple because you go straight across, so you don't have to change anything. So we're just doing 3 times 4. That'll give us 12 as the numerator. And then we're doing 7 times 1, and that'll give us 7 as the denominator. Now, we're not quite done because this right here is an improper fraction. It's improper because it has a big head, so it's not a normal fraction. To get rid of that, though, remember, it's a secret undercover division problem. So we're going to do 12 divided by 7. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to do 12 divided by 7. So 7 will go into 1 0 times. Then I'm going to count by 7s until I get to 12 then. So 7, 14, that's too much. I'm going to go back. It'll go in 1 time, giving us 7. And then when I subtract that, I get 5. So I'll write my remainder 5 up here. But remember, we're dealing with fractions. So we're going to put a fraction line under that. And our denominator is going to be the same thing that we had up here. So 7 is going to be our denominator. So 7 goes down here. So 12/7, so this right here, 12/7, we came down here, we changed it. It is equal to this right here, 1 5/7. So 1 5/7. Now, with fractions, you always check to see if you can reduce over here. In this case, you can't. So in this case, this is your final answer. Now, when you type it in, up here, what you're going to do is you're going to do 1, do a space, then type 5/7. And it should turn it into a fraction for you.